What's up YouTube, Saf here on SuperSaf TV, and look what we have here. It's a mystery box from, that's right, OnePlus. I'm really excited to see what's inside. I know you guys are really excited to see what's inside, so let's not waste any time and let's go ahead and get it unboxed. I'm not even sure if this is going to fit in the top-down camera. Just about. Also, if you're new to the channel, then be sure to hit that subscribe button. Yeah, somewhere around here. I actually don't know where it's going to be, but it's the red one, the big red one. Yeah, press that. Nice one. Thank you. Now, back to this. Whoa. You can see the Never Settle logo here inside, and then we've got this bag. All right, get rid of the box. Interesting, we have a backpack. This thing looks really good. I've actually got the black version of this. Wow, very nice quality. This is the gray one. Looks really dope. And it's not an empty backpack. There's definitely some stuff inside. Let's have a look. Whoa. Okay, that's a OnePlus 5T. And it says on here, Sandstone white. Very interesting. We'll come back to that in just a second. Let's see what else they've sent me. First up, we have a OnePlus hoodie in grey. Nice. Got the OnePlus logo here at the front. And we've got a baseball cap. Nice. So this is a OnePlus black baseball cap with the OnePlus logo here as well. And we have a couple more bits. That's a laptop sleeve, which looks really good. I absolutely love the grey look of this. Goes really nice with the bag. And we've got two more bits here. There's the Bullets earphones, which we've checked out before. And then we've also got the in-car dash charger. So you can get dash charging inside your car. Awesome. So that's everything else that was inside the box. But now let's have a look at the main thing. And that is this OnePlus 5T. So you guys have already seen me cover the OnePlus 5T in lots of detail on the channel already. But what's special about this is that it's a limited edition version and it's in Sandstone white. What is that? Well, let's have a look. So the front looks pretty much the same as the regular OnePlus 5T. It's all in black, and that just makes those bezels disappear even more, even though they're very small already. And then we've got this white on the back. Wow, that does look really nice. Feels quite unique. It's not as rough as the Sandstone that we've seen on the OnePlus 1 and the OnePlus 2. I'm trying to think of the best way to describe it. Kind of feels like I'm touching paper, actually. Interesting. Now, in order to achieve this texture, apparently it takes 75 minutes per phone, and it's the most expensive process that OnePlus have ever used. Inside the box, everything else is the same. I'll just show you quickly. So we've got the USB cable, we've got the dash charger, which is the fastest charging that I've tested on any smartphone before. There's a clear case, some OnePlus stickers, a SIM card ejector tool, quick start guide, as well as some safety information. Now, coming back to the Sandstone white phone, so OnePlus have basically aimed to go for a sort of hybrid between the original Sandstone grey that we had, as well as the silky white for the OnePlus 1. And then we've got black buttons as well as the black SIM card tray, and then there's a red alert slider. Now, doing a quick comparison with the original OnePlus 5T Midnight Black, you can see quite a contrast here. And the Midnight Black does feel really smooth, whereas you've got a lot more grip on the OnePlus 5T Sandstone White. From the front, however, they do look pretty much the same. We've got the 6-inch full optic AMOLED display, and that's an 18:9 aspect ratio with minimal bezels. And everything else is pretty much the same as well as you have with the OnePlus 5T. So we've got this fingerprint scanner, this time in the white here at the back. We've got the same dual camera setup. One of these is 16 megapixels, the other is 20 megapixels, both with an f1.7 aperture. Facial recognition, Oxygen OS, as well as the Snapdragon 835 processor, although the Sandstone white version is only going to be available with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. And this is at the same price as the OnePlus 5T, so that's around £500 here in the UK or $560 in the US. So that's what makes it one of the best smartphones at this price point, and it's going to be available from January the 9th. And that is while stocks last, because this is limited edition. Now, in terms of my impressions, I do quite like this new texture. I guess I would have liked it a little bit more if it was more rough like the original Sandstone, but I guess that does come down to your personal preference. If you do want to go ahead and pick this up or any of the other items that OnePlus have sent me, then those will all be linked in the description below. What do you think of the OnePlus 5T Sandstone White? Definitely drop me a comment below and let me know. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, then please do hit that thumbs up button for me. If you haven't already, then I'm not sure why you haven't, but make sure you subscribe and switch on notifications. We've got lots more content coming up on here. Thanks for watching, and thanks to OnePlus for sending me all of this gear. This is Saf from SuperSaf TV, and I'll see you next time.